Good morning, all my dear students, and warm welcome to you in our first lecture of account subject in BBA. So, in the previous lecture, we are already discussed about what is the account and what is the syllabus account and what is the exam pattern in account and how many marks will ask you in a theoretical portion and how many marks will ask you in a practical portion. Now we are discussing our first subject, first chapter of account. So first of all, what is the meaning of account? You all are already learned in your 11th and 12th. Done. તમે અત્યાર બારમાં ભણી જ ચૂક્યા છો એટલે I think you all know very well what is the meaning of account. So before the explain of meaning and definition of account, I like to tell you about how is account become. Then account કઈ રીતે આવ્યું. So indeed when we have to discuss about the past, બરોબર ભૂતકાળની વાત કરું છું અત્યારે મગજમાં થોડું ઇમેજિન કરજો કે we are in our past. Then so in the past a human have a less basic need. એટલી બધી કે basic needs હતી નહીં. Then after some time a human developed. Then માનવમાંથી મનુષ્ય થતા ગયા and we create our need and આપણી need છે શું થઈ સર્જન. So at that time we are for the transaction we are the using a barter system. What? Barter system. In the barter system means what? કે ભાઈ આપણે ગુજરાતીમાં એને શું કહેતા હતા? સાટા પદ્ધતિ. Barter system means કે સાટા પદ્ધતિ. A man, a woman have something and he need for something other product, so he give a product which you have to another person and take a product with from another person. બરોબર તેની પાસે જે વસ્તુ છે બીજાને આપી દે છે અને બીજા પાસે જે વસ્તુ છે શું કરે છે એ લે છે. એને શું કરે છે? It is called a barter system. Then after some time and then શું થયું તો કે ભાઈ શું કહેવાય કે civilization through. That is civilization through, and in the currencies come in a market in the different place, different kind of the currency is formatted, and this kind of the particular area doing the transaction with this kind particular areas currency. Then એટલે currency શું છે માર્કેટની અંદર આવી. ચલો એક જીકે નો એક પ્રશ્ન હતો, તમારે કોમેન્ટ બોક્સમાં આન્સર લખવાનો છે કે જે અત્યારે આપણે કરન્સીની અંદર નોટનો યુઝ કરીએ છીએ, કાગળની જે નોટ આવે છે. સો which country first developed this kind of the currency? તમારે આન્સર કોમેન્ટ બોક્સમાં લખવાનું છે. Okay, so different area have a different kind of the currency, and this kind of the area doing the transaction in their currency. બરોબર તેની કરન્સીની અંદર શું કરતા હતા? ટ્રાન્ઝેક્શન એ લોકો કરતા હતા. Then after what happened? A transaction is increased. So here transaction is increased. So a person or a firm cannot be remember all the transaction. For this kind of the reason, they need to record a transaction. So in the one book, they have to write about all the transaction for the purchase and sales and action. Then after what happened, the we can say that in the transaction they have the recorded all the things, monetary and non-monetary. Then the financial and non-financial બધા પ્રકારના ટ્રાન્ઝેક્શન શું કરતા એ રાઇટ કરતા હતા. Then after some time the transaction they have to classified the transaction. Then કેમ કે બધા ટ્રાન્ઝેક્શન એકી સાથે લખવા એટલે થોડું કન્ફ્યુઝિંગ હતું. Then કન્ફ્યુઝિંગ ક્રિએટ થતું હતું. So they have to classify the transaction. They have to write the purchase transaction separate, they write the sales transaction separate. So they have to classified of a transaction. Then after what happened? So then after in the Italy, one man, I remember નામ મને યાદ હતું, લુકા કરીને એનું નામ આવે છે. Then Yuka, a person, a mathematician is a mathematician Luca, and Mr. Lucas, a mathematician Luca, give a double entry booking system. શું ડબલ એન્ટ્રી બુકિંગ સિસ્ટમ અત્યારે જે આપણે અકાઉન્ટ ની અંદર જે ઓલ વર્લ્ડ છે જે બુક એન્ટ્રી કરે છે એ શું છે ડબલ બુકિંગ એન્ટ્રી સિસ્ટમ મીન્સ કે એક જ ટ્રાન્ઝેક્શન ને શું થાય છે બે એન્ટ્રી થાય છે why because the reason of accuracy that is reason of accuracy in the single entry we create some kind of the mistakes. Then we find at the end of the transaction, end of the balance sheet, we find some kind of the error. But in the booking double entry booking system, we have a good accuracy. The chances of mistakes is reduced. Then mistake થવાના chances શું થઈ જાય છે reduce થઈ જાય છે. For this reason, this kind of the becomes booking system adopted by whole world. And the accounting system in the past all country have their account system. In the ancient history we can find a history of accounting also. Like China, Greece, Italy, દરેક દેશની પ્રાચીનમાં પોતાની accounting system હતી. India have also they have accounting system. In the past a leader of the village or we can say the king is the શું કરતો હતો રાજા કે લીડર હતો એ ટેક્સ લેતો હતો કે એની પાસેથી પ્રજા પાસેથી. So when he is the collector tax he is the recording who which how many person give a tax and how many person is not giving a tax. So this kind of the all the data recorded by the leader or king also. After civilization in India different state are formed. We call it a country also because the 1947 પહેલા I think 562 રજવાડા ડન છે. અત્યારે બધા ભેગા થઈને સ્ટેટ થયા છે. એટ ધ ટાઈમ રજવાડા હતા. દે આર ધ શું કરતા હતા એકબીજા સાથે વસ્તુની ખરીદી અને વેચાણ કરતા હતા. So for this kind of the reason this kind શું કરતા હતા એ અકાઉન્ટ પ્રિપેર કરતા હતા. Then after become in India a method a દેશીનામા system. Then it's called the wahi method. wahi ખાતો જે કહે છે અથવા તો દેશીનામા પદ્ધતિ છે. It become in our India. Then but after the globalization of the accounting then a double booking system is adopted by the whole country. આખા દેશે શું કરી છે એ મેથડ ને સ્વીકારી લીધી છે. And after some time the record શું થાય છે વધતા જાય છે. then after the computerization આવી ગયું છે nowadays. So all the transaction we are summarizing the where ठीक है भाई in the computer different kind of the software of accounting is available. So એ રીતે જે અકાઉન્ટ છે એ એક નાનકડા બાટલા એટલે કે વિનિમય પદ્ધતિ સાટા પદ્ધતિથી સ્ટાર્ટ થયું છે અને અત્યારે આપણી સામે આ રીતે ફોર્મેટ થઈ ગયું છે. ધેન છે સો અકાઉન્ટ તમને I think history clear થઈ ગઈ છે. Now we are discussing about account which we will study. જે અકાઉન્ટ આપણે ભણવાના છે એના વિશે થોડું ડિસ્કશન કરીએ. So our account is recorded only financial transaction. They are not recorded as non financial transaction. then છે આપણો અકાઉન્ટ છે શું કરશે only financial transaction ને જ રેકોર્ડ કરશે અધરવાઇઝ ને નહીં કરે. then છે definition. Now we are discussing about the definition. I think as समझाइए financial and non financial in the 11th 12th you know already learned about the account only financial transaction is recorded. then છે only financial transaction શું થઈ છે record થઈ છે. Now we are discussing about the definition of accounting. So accounting is the art of recording, classifying, analyzing, summarizing and interpreting the result of the business transaction in a significant manner and in the term of money transaction and event which are in a part at least of a financial characters. And this kind of this definition is given by AICPA, American Institute Public Account, American Institute of, sorry, for me of American Institute of Certified Public Account. This kind of this institute given this definition. Now we are discussing about the definition. શું કે છે આ definition? Account is the art of the recording. Account શું છે? તો account is the one kind of the art of the recording of transaction, and after the recording the transaction we have to classify the transaction. શું કરીશું? આપણે એને classify કરી દઈશું. Different transaction na classified the purchase na, sales na. So this kind of the transaction is the classified. Thereafter we are the analyzing the transaction and summarizing at the summarizing the transaction at the end, because then જે આખા transaction ને શું કરશું? Summarization કરશું, and at the end of the year we are giving a result in a profit and loss and balance sheet. So accounting is the art of the recording, classifying, analyzing and summarizing and interpreting the result of the business transaction in a significant manner, and in the term of money transaction and events which are in the part at least of the financial character. And this kind of the all the transaction were the recorded in account, but which only and only financial transaction and financial event which happen in our business. लेंचे जो फाइनेंशियल ट्रांजैक्शन किया છે એને શું કરશું? આપણે રેકોર્ડ કરશું. I hope you all are understood the definition of this AICPA accounting. लेंचे બધાને આ definition I think clear. The second definition is given by American Accounting Association. So American Accounting Association gives the definition: the process of identifying, measuring and communicating economics information to permit to inform judgment and decision by the user of accounts. So according to this definition, the account is useful for to take a decision by the internal and external both. Who are the connected with the business internal and who are the connected with the business external, both are helpful for taking a decision for their. So શું કહે છે આ ડેફિનેશન કે નિર્ણય લેવામાં મદદ કરે છે. By how? At the end of the year the account give us two results. One is about the profit and loss, and second is our balance sheet giving the financial position or capital position of our company or our business. So in the internal part our management can take a decision and can measure by own performance also. જે પોતાનું પરફોર્મન્સ પણ મેજર કરી શકે છે અને અંતમાં ડિસિઝન પણ લઈ શકે છે. और मैनेजमेंट can take a decision about the profit policy, about the decision for our management can take a decision about the pricing policy. Then this kind of the different kind of the decision that can take with the help of the account. Then બીજી વસ્તુની વાત કરીએ, if our business get a profit, so account tell us that we have a profit and we have a loss. So on this basis we can sell our profit. Then and on this basis if we get a loss, so we know how much loss we acquire. Then આપણે કેટલું loss થયું છે આ બધું કોણ કહેશે? આપણને account કહેશે. Like the external part our shareholder know about કે કેટલું profit થયું, shareholder ને ખબર પડે ને તમને. Then so our shareholder with the help of this account our shareholder can decide કે further આ share purchase કરવા કે ન કરવા. And other investor also watch this account and on this basis of account he will purchase our share. Second, our bank and creditor શું કરશે? એને પણ આઈડિયા આવશે ને કે શું પોઝિશન છે. Why? because they are invest, they are give a money on them છે શું કરે છે આપણે એની પાસેથી મની ને બોરો કરી છે એની પાસેથી ઉછીને લીધી છે એટલે એ પણ શું કરશે એ વસ્તુને જોવાના છે. થર્ડ ઇઝ ગવર્નમેન્ટ ઓલસો, then છે with the help of this account government take a tax from business for a company on the basis of this account. So this account is a totally broad concept, and with the help with this account many parties can take a decision and many parties measure own self also. Then so here I think you all know about the meaning of account, and I think you all very well understood about a definition of account. Now we are discussing about the nature of account. Then we are discussing 6 nature of account. What is the first nature of account? Accounting is an art. Then say account is an art. Art means what? Art means કે એક માણસની પોતાની અંદરની કળા દેન છે એ જ મુજબ અકાઉન્ટ પણ શું છે એક પ્રકારની આર્ટ છે. Why? Because we are the managing account, we are summarize account by a principle. I know that we all know we are the summarize account by a principle, but who manage the account, who write the account, make is the clearly and it make like a easily we can understand. Then છે એ રીતે બનાવે છે કે આપણે શું છે એને easily understand કરી શકીએ છીએ. Then છે so for this reason it is an art. Then છે આપણે મન ફાવે લખી નાખીએ, મન ફાવે એન્ટ્રી કરી નાખીએ. So what happened? Double bookkeeping system we are applying the double bookkeeping system in a transaction, but not in the proper way we have to maintain it. So we have the answer also at the end of the year. We have the answer also. આપણને બેલેન્સ શીટ ની બંને સાઈડ નો આન્સર મળી ગયો. we know our business in the profit and loss etc all the thing, but any other thing is also important in the accounting, like આપડા ક્રેડિટર કેટલા છે, આપડા ડેબિટર કેટલા છે, આપણી કેપિટલ કેટલી છે. So this all the data we need. So one a person who manage this account is make it properly manner, make it a properly way, so other management and other third party can easily understood. Then so this reason we can say that account is an art of making of account. Then account એક પ્રકારની કળા છે શેની કે ભાઈ account બનાવવા. Then law understand. I think clearly you said the account is an art. Now we are discussing about a second nature. Account is a science. Then account is a science by why? Because science is based on the principle. Science is based on a principle. So in account we also doing the principle. We are applying the principle in accounting, in the transaction. A double bookkeeping system have it's one kind of the principle. We are the making balance sheet, profit and loss account, trading account. In this kind of the account we are the applying the principle. Then मन पड़े गमे एंट्री गमे ત્યાં તો આપણે નથી કરી શકતા, એના particular rules and regulations છે accounting ના. So it is a principle. So for this reason we can say our account it is a science. Then accounting is one kind of the science. Okay, now our third nature, it is a process. Then accounting it's what? It is a process. We cannot directly make a balance sheet કે બે ચાર ટ્રાન્ઝેક્શન આવ્યા એટલે ચાલો બેલેન્સ શીટ બનાવી નાખીએ, ચાલો પ્રોફિટ એન્ડ લોસ બનાવી શકીએ ના. First of all we need to make a journal entry. Then after the making a journal entry we are the making a ledger and posting. Then after we are the separating it's all in the purchase book and sales book. Then આપણે એને શું કરશું? સેપરેટ કરશું. We are the classified it. આપણે એને ક્લાસિફાઈડ કરીને શું કરી દેશું? સેપરેટ કરી દેશું. Then after we are making the trading account, profit profit and loss account and balance sheet at the end. Then check. So it is the whole the process. We need to follow a sequence, step by step. Then check. Directly we cannot jump onto our last stage. Okay, છે આપણે step by step બધી ક્રિયા કરવી પડે છે. So for this reason we can say that it is a process. Now our third point. Only monetary transactions are recorded in the accounting. We are the only recorded transaction in which in a financial form, in the monetary form. Other transaction, it is important for our business, but if it is a non-monetary, so we cannot account in it. Then check. Only monetary transaction is આપણે શું કરશું એને recorded કરશું. For example, બીજી વસ્તુ એક એક્ઝામ્પલ તમને આપું કે એક બિલ્ડિંગ આપણે બનાવી છે એની અંદર 60% રો મટીરીયલ બીજી જગ્યાએથી અને 40% બીજી જગ્યાએથી લે સો લઈ આવ્યા છે. સો એટ ધ ઇન ધ બેલેન્સ શીટ વી શો કે ભાઈ આ બિલ્ડિંગ ની અંદર ટોટલ આટલું છે. એટલે કે એ મુજબ આપણું શું કરે છે મોનેટરી ટ્રાન્ઝેક્શન હોય છે એને શું કરતું હોય છે રેકોર્ડ કરતું હોય છે. સો અવર ફોર્થ nature is only monetary transaction are recorded. Fifth, only financial transaction. Then say in the business we have two type of transaction. One is the financial and one is the non-financial. So only financial transaction we are the recorded. Sometimes non-financial transaction is the most important for our business as compared to our financial transaction. But in accounting system, this kind of the transaction is not recorded. For example, if our business, our sales manager, our senior sales manager, it is our wealth, one kind of the our wealth. Then check, but in આપણી સંપત્તિ છે એક પ્રકારની, but it is not in the financial form. But financial form ની અંદર આપણી સંપત્તિ નથી. If our senior sales manager resign in our business, resign in our company, so it is a directly effect on our whole sales department, and it make and at the end it is create a it make a loss. શું કરે છે અંતમાં loss કરે છે. But this kind of the transaction is not in the financial form. So what our accounting is not recorded કે ભાઈ ફલાણો ભાઈ છે આપડા સેલ્સ સિનિયર સેલ્સ એક્ઝિક્યુટિવ માંથી છે એ રિઝાઇન આપ્યું. It is important for our business, but it is not recorded. So only and only financial transaction is recorded in account. Then check, and in the last transaction are recorded in a sequence. Then check, આપણે ડાયરેક્ટ લાસ્ટ ની અંદર જમ્પ ન કરી શકીએ. We follow a procedure, we follow a step by step. Then check, so at the end of the procedure, at the end of the sequence we got a result. So our transactions are recorded in sequence. Then check, આપણે એક sequence મુજબ એને રેકોર્ડ કરવા પડતા હોય છે. It is the nature of our accounting. Then check, again એક વખત repeat ફટાફટ કરાવી દઉં છું. Account is an art because a person who is the recording accounting, it is the making the proper way so easily we can understood. So it is an art. We are applying a principle for making a accounting. So it is a science. It is the procedure. We need to follow procedure. Then check, and after a completed procedure we get a result. So it is a process. Only monetary transactions are recorded and only financial transactions are recorded. Other transaction is the most important for our business, but it is if it is not in a financial form, so we cannot record it. And in the last transaction are recorded in a sequence. Then check, I hope you all are understand the nature of accounting. Then check, હજી કહું છું chapter 1 is important because 20 marks નું જે theoretical portion હશે most ofly એ આની અંદરથી આ chapter ની અંદરથી જ આવશે. again હું કહું છું accounting is a very interesting subject and very scoring subject, but if you are not present mentally and physically in the class, so you can, if you missing a one transaction, so impact of this missing in we can show on a whole sum. ડન છે એન્ડ હજી કહું છું અત્યારથી જ પ્રિપરેશન કરજો અકાઉન્ટિંગ સબ્જેક્ટમાં કેમ કે બીજા સબ્જેક્ટ છે એ એટ ધ એન્ડ ઓફ ધ ટાઈમ તમે એક વીકમાં કે મંથની અંદર રીડ કરી શકશો બટ અકાઉન્ટિંગ છે બધા ચેપ્ટરને કેલ્ક્યુલેટ તમે એક સાથે નહીં કરી શકો right છે સો અત્યારથી પ્રિપેર રહેજો ઇન next lecture we will meet in our next topic. Now I am finishing my lecture. I hope you all are enjoying it and you all understood about the meaning and definition of account and nature of account. Now okay ચાલો next lecture માં મળશું. જય હિન્દ જય ભારત. Thank you.